What's the meaning of backing store? Backing store. Backing store.
Backing store. Backing store. The term backing store refers to a type of computer memory storage that is used to hold information that is not currently being accessed by the Central Processing Unit, CPU. It is also known as secondary memory or auxiliary storage. Backing store is usually slower than the primary memory, such as RAM, but it is capable of holding large amounts of data even when the computer is turned off. Common examples of backing store include hard disk drives and solid-state drives, but it can also refer to external devices like USB drives and memory cards. The use of backing store enables users to store and retrieve data efficiently and effectively.